Are you ready to eradicate PSTs from this earth? Here at Quadrotech, we share this mission. PSTs are offline files used by Outlook Exchange clients. The file format is outdated and insecure, which means they're susceptible to data leakage, poorly protected from hackers, wide open to malware, and easily corrupted. Many IT professionals also struggle to track how many exist across their organization and where they live, since they can't be centralized or managed easily. Eliminate PSTs from your environment using Quadrotech PST Flight Deck. We've been exterminating PSTs for over 11 years. PST Flight Deck detects PST files and gathers them from locations across the environment. Desktops, laptops, business shares and home drives, Windows PCs, unmanaged PCs, application streaming, and Macintosh OLM files. Using an 8-factor owner analysis scan, PST Flight Deck determines who owns the files with extreme accuracy. It also allows you to overcome common hurdles by handling PSTs belonging to terminated users, corrupt file repair, password removal, and deduplication. Once all the relevant files have been found, fixed, and assigned to an owner, they are migrated into the new environment, and the old PSTs are deleted. PST Flight Deck empowers organizations and IT professionals with user-transparent migrations. Users keep read-only access during the migration, full administrator control with all necessary tracking, event-driven handling and processing in an easy-to-use interface, controlled bandwidth, full visibility down to user and file level, a wealth of reporting functionality directly accessible from the interface. Use PST Flight Deck to reduce your compliance risk, eliminate lost data from corrupt PST files, and reduce help desk and support costs, all while increasing user satisfaction. What are you waiting for? Migrate and eliminate terabytes of PSTs a day with PST Flight Deck.